Hey guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Cocktails with Cranberry. Of course, it's your girl Cranberry here for another episode. Of course, on Cocktails with Cranberry, we mix up all the amazing cocktails for you guys, tell you what the ingredients are. All ingredients available in your local supermarkets and distributed by GBA Entrerprises right here in Dominica. Of course, again, we are at Jacko's Bar at the Fortune Hotel. Fortune Hotel, the home of Cocktails with Cranberry. And we are in the month of February. So happy February to all you guys. We are in the Valentine season. They say February is the month of love. So we are going to be making some Valentine Day themed cocktails for you guys. In this week's episode, we're going to focus on some creamy drinks. And we have two beautiful tasters in the house once again. And as usual, we will be making two cocktails. So without further ado, we're going to go into our first cocktail of the evening. We will be using Kilroy's Irish Cream. We'll be using Nutz and Rum, which is a peanut flavored liquor from St. Lucia. And we will be using Javalatte, which is a Cappuccino cream, also from the island of St. Lucia. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna mix up the Crazy About You cocktail. Filling up my shaker with ice as usual. Getting my jigger. I have two tasters as usual, so we will be doing 2 ounces, 1 ounce per person. And we're coming behind that with our coffee liquor. And I am going to shake this up for you guys. I'm gonna get my glasses. Okay, so I have 2 martini glasses. I am going to garnish these glasses with some chocolate syrup. Add a few cubes of ice in here. And we're gonna pour. We're gonna add some whipped cream to the mix. Add a little sprinkle on there. And this, my friends, is our Crazy About You cocktail. Valentine Day themed cocktail for you and your loved ones. I'm gonna add 2 straws in there so the ladies can sip. I'm gonna hand this over to them, and as usual, the tasters are gonna tell you their impressions on the drinks. Okay, so guys, I have two tasters with me this evening. They are my cousins. Welcome to Cocktails with Cranberry, Nelia and Walida. Say good evening to the YouTube audience.
Good evening.
YouTube audience.
How are you guys doing this evening?
Great.
Great actually.
Okay, and we are in the month of love, Valentine's Day. What are you guys most looking forward to for Valentine's Day?
Sharing and getting love.
Getting love. Of course, it's
For
the
sure.
season of love. and Nelia knows all about that because she's a married woman and all. But we're gonna get into the drinks. So guys, toast to each other, toast to family, and
Cheers.
Cheers.
drink up.
Really nice.
Have it on here.
That is, I think I need another sip. I'll tell you.
Wow. I love coffee. So anything with coffee,
And
it just hit the spot.
the Irish cream, it really brings it out. The creaminess is really good. I think that
Wow.
makes it superb. That's what gives it the kick.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Guys, you hear that? This drink is superb.
On point.
So, are you guys crazy about my crazy about you cocktail?
Oh yes.
Nicely.
Oh yes.
That's what's up. They're crazy about the drink, and you guys should be crazy about it too. Remember, we use Javalatte from St. Lucia, Nutz and Rum, also from St. Lucia, and Kilroy's Irish Cream. Guys, these drinks are distributed by GBA Entrerprises and can be found in all your local supermarkets. So be sure to go out, get those drinks, and mix up some amazing cocktails for you and your loved one this Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna give these young ladies the opportunity to finish these drinks, and then we will move on to the next cocktail of the evening. And we are back, guys. The young ladies have completed their crazy about you cocktail. Of course, they enjoyed it, they loved it, and you guys can enjoy it as well. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so you can go out and buy all the ingredients to make these cocktails for you and your loved one. Without further ado, we're going to go into the second cocktail of the evening. It is a red wine smoothie, and we're gonna be using vanilla ice cream. We will be using Vina Maple sweet red wine, also distributed by GBA Entrerprises, and Svedka Vodka original, also distributed by GBA Entrerprises. Remember, guys, we are at Fortune Hotel at Jacko's Bar, the new home of Cocktails with Cranberry. For this cocktail, we will be using our blender. So I'm going to move over to the blender and add my vanilla ice cream. We will be using 4 ounces of Svedka Vodka. Remember, my jigger is 2 ounces on top, 1 ounce below, so I'll be using 2 of the up top. And my red wine, I will be going with 8 ounces of red wine. We're gonna cover our blender and blend this up. Gonna get my large wine glasses. Gonna add some whipped cream. And we are going to top this up with a cherry. And this, my friends, is our red wine smoothie. So I'm gonna add 2 straws in there, and I'm gonna hand these drinks over again to my tasters, and they will be giving you their real and honest opinion. So ladies, you have your new cocktail, our red wine smoothie. I'm going to give you guys the opportunity to taste and tell the people what you guys think.
Wow.
Let me tell you, that wine has some serious kick, but it's a good kick.
She said some serious kick, but a good kick. And guys, did you see the expression on their faces? So you can tell that they are really enjoying this drink. Have you ever heard of a red wine smoothie? I mean, this is something that you have to try, you and your loved one, for Valentine's Day. Red wine, a little vodka in the mix, and some ice cream. You cannot go wrong.
This one is for the wine lovers.
I was just about to say that.
Definitely for wine lovers.
I was just about to say.
The wine just brings out everything. I love wine. So for me, this is a go-to.
It's a go-to for Walida. I mean,
it goes down smooth. It's, yeah.
And guys, she's trying to tell you about the drink, but she has to
I'm too busy tasting.
At the same time, that just goes to show you how great this drink is. Neely, tell us what's on your mind. This drink is. Neely, tell us what's on your mind.
Oh, I'm also a wine lover. Never thought wine could do this. This is a drink I would surely recommend. I will surely be drinking it again.
That means off camera, she has to make it again.
Yes.
I'm sure Neely and Walida will be making this drink to share with their loved one on Valentine's Day, because they are wine lovers and they love it. So if you are a wine lover too, of course, get your red wine from GBA Entrerprises. There's a promotion going on right now. Canny Valentine's promotion, where you get 4, you didn't hear me wrong, 4 bottles of wine. You get to mix and match your wine for $78. So guys, don't stick, contact GBA Enterprises. I will leave the contact info on screen and in the description box below. So get your wines for this Valentine's Day and for the carnival season that we're not gonna be having, but you know, you can still drink some wine. 4 bottles for $78. You cannot go wrong. And these wines are distributed by GBA Entrerprises right here in Dominica, and you can also pick up your bottle of wine at your local supermarket. So ladies, did you have a good time on Cocktails with Cranberry this evening?
Oh, sure did.
Yes. Yes, definitely. Imagine I was watching the last episode, maybe last night or night before, and I'm like going, I have to use a cocktail right now.
I know, right?
And now you are having a cocktail and you had to.
Had to.
I am free and available. Just call.
I know.
Well, ladies, it was my absolute pleasure having you guys on Cocktails with Cranberry. Thank you so much for your feedback. Without you guys, my lovely tasters, this show would not be possible. Thank you to GBA Entrerprises, our drink sponsor. Thank you to Fort Young Hotel. Thank you to Shernelli 767 for always keeping me beautiful, and Grace and Glamour for the hair, of course. Guys, it has been my pleasure hanging out with you guys. Do tune in for a next episode next week at 6 p.m. on Fridays. We are always here at the Fort Young Hotel kicking it with you. And guys, go out, buy these ingredients and make those drinks, and leave your feedback in the comments. Let me know what was your impression of the drink after you've made it yourself and you've tried it with your friends and family. Of course, it's your girl Cranberry. Always a pleasure saying I love you guys always. Until the next time.